Oral-B Cross-Action Electric Toothbrush Replacement Brush Heads Refill, 4Count. Oral-B Toothbrush Head. Heads. Top reviews from the United States. 4 for the price of 1, 2. It's a great buy since you get more brushes with the price you pay in comparison to other sellers. I compared their quality and the physical appearances of those to other one I had bought from the manufacturer website, and the only difference was the language that was used on the packaging. They came quick and had different color rings to differentiate them, as expected. They replace the head whenever you want them to. Once a month does the trick, but my wife replaces every 2 weeks.